Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your first investment with SoFi, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with building your first investment using SoFi, first, download the SoFi app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create your account by entering your email address and setting up a secure password. After creating your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, link your bank account to your SoFi account. This step is essential for transferring funds for your investments. Once your bank account is linked, navigate to the investment section of the app. This is usually found in the main menu. Select the type of investment you want to make. SoFi offers options like stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. If you're unsure where to start, consider exploring the recommended portfolios that SoFi generates based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. After selecting your investment type, choose the specific asset or fund you want to invest in. Decide on the amount you'd like to invest. SoFi allows you to start with as little as $1. Review the details of your investment, including any fees or charges associated. Once satisfied, confirm your investment by clicking the appropriate button. After your investment is confirmed, you can monitor its performance via the app's dashboard. Keep in mind, investing comes with risks. It's crucial to stay informed and adjust your portfolio as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully built your first investment with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.